What is up, guys? This is RAM Overload. Today I'm going to be talking about what the top 5 best free websites are to watch movies. Okay, so if you don't have a Netflix subscription or Hulu or HBO or any of these other streaming services, you can still watch a lot of free movies on a lot of different platforms. So I'm going to be just talking about what the top 5 are in my opinion. Just a disclaimer before we get started, this might not be available in all countries. So I am in the US, so this is specifically for the US. So you want to try it out in your country to see if it works or not, and read their legal docs whether you're allowed to use it or not. All right, so these you don't need a VPN or anything in the US, right? Just keep that in consideration. So yeah, let's get started. The first one is Tubi. So most people already heard of Tubi. They provide free movies. There's also live TV. They also have a kids section as well. Okay, so if you want it for your kids, they have kids, so you can just click it up there, and just a bunch of kid movies that you see over here. All right. So now let's go back here and scroll down. You can stream it on any platform, pretty much any platform you guys can think of, right? They have great movies. I really like their filter as well. So let's just search for horror or something, right? I really like the way they filter it as well. And there's categories that they have. I'm not signed in, so I can't see the categories right now. But they have a not on Netflix a filter, I should say, which is pretty nice in my opinion, because certain times a lot of the movies just overlap and you want things that aren't on Netflix. You want something unique because Netflix most people have, and probably most people have seen it if it is popular. So you want to see something different. This will be the place to go, and I really love that filter that they have that. All right, moving on. The next one is Vudu. So Vudu is by Fandango, which most people probably already heard of, but it's a really nice website. They have great selection. They have free and paid movies. There's, I believe, over 5,000 free movies available. So a huge selection to check it out. Right? They have the option to watch movies for free with ads, or you can pay and get it without ads, or you can even rent them out.